Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So still if you not subscribed, please visit techystack channel and subscribe it. So today we'll try to explore one more new interview question. So the interviewer who is so he given one text. Just assume take one word. So he given us techystack. So once he given that, so he asked this output as like this. So just sort out this alphabets. So ABC is in order, no? So like that, we need to see it. So when you check this text tag, it's about, but it is in the not in the alphabet order. So this is just we want to they want to just modify that in the format of alphabet order. So now we'll try to explore with UiPath. So we'll see how it will works. So the first step, so we need to take this as an activity, and I'm declaring one variable, which is nothing but as user input. In this user input, I'm assigning the value as techstat. So I have added this techstat. Next step is, so if you when check, so they want the output. So if you see this in this question only, we can get the half of the answer. So basically, we need to loop that. So if you only loop every word, I mean each letter, it will come. So for that purpose, so we need to use this for each. So for each, and here I am updating as user input. Okay, once this is done, so we'll got a T. So next we need to check for T is greater than E or less than E. So we need to check that. For that purpose, again we need to use this the for each loop. Again we have to use one more for each loop. Okay. In this for each loop, so we need to write the one small syntax. So here I want to loop for from 0 to till end. How many are there? Length of the things. So for that purpose, enumerable, we need to take that enumerable dot range of 0, comma, length of user input. So this is my user input, and I'm keeping one minus one. So if why I'm keeping this minus one means I taken the length as from the 0. So for that purpose, I make it as here 1 minus 1. This is done. Then next, so we need to check whether the current word is greater than the next word or not. So for example, the current word is T. So then need to check with the E. Similar way, it will go keep on one by one. So for that, next we need to take if condition. So just drag and drop this if condition. And here we need to write this one small syntax again. Not this. Let me go on write this one. So here we need to update this condition. So user input of current item. Okay, I will just go here and then change this current item 1. So just for variation, this is the current item 1 and this is the current item. So just for variation purpose, so I have changed user input of current item 1 greater than user input of current item 1 plus 1. So just it will check. So for example, if we take here current item is 1, for example, so it's checking with the next. So similarly, it will keep on move for all. So why it's showing this error? Hmm, this is okay. This is error got disappeared. So once this is done, so we need to append this data. So for that, again, taking this as an activity. So just drag and drop here. And here I want to take the data into the user input itself. So here, again, we need to write the one small conditions. So if you, I mean, this is here only the everything it will occurs. So if you missed out this, so it's a bit tricky to understand that one. So just I'm updating these things. So user input dot substring of 0, 0 comma next current 0 comma current item 1. Okay, similar way we need to do one more step plus user input of current item plus 1. Next plus user input of So just it's a substring both the things and I mean just grabbing the other the information. So if you see 0 comma current item 1, so then it will take 0. So where it will start 0 is t plus 1. So it will capture the till that end. Like this way, it will capture all the steps here. So current row of current item 1 plus user input of current item plus 2. Okay, this is a small syntax which we need to do. So with the help of these things, so we are adding this. So this is some logic. So once this is done, just click on the save, and on downside, I will make this one message box just for the checking output. Let me update this check, and I keep here breakpoint. So now I will run here. So we have to wait for a couple of seconds until to execute this program. Let it done. Okay, yeah. So here it's got the boundary index. So it might be something has missed here. So let me check out this. So already the same logic I have built in Python. Just I'm opening this one. So by default, we cannot get these things. So that's why I make it here. So just I am cross checking with this condition. So J2, J plus 2. So the first one 0 comma Z. So I'm just stopping and checking this small syntax. Just I put it side by side and I'm checking. So 0 comma 3 J is there, J plus 1, and this is J plus 2. Okay, everything is done, completed already. Just I cross checked. Here the problem is I forget to miss the substring. So when I check, also all are I given only the one substring for the first one, and rest of the thing here I missed is one substring. So let me take this downside one, and I'm updating there. So let's go back to here. I removed and I updated. So now let me run this. And now it got executed and I'm checking the user input. So this is the output which we got. So this is a small syntax which we need to update this. So this is kind of what to say. We are sort. I mean, just so swapping that things. So I updated. I mean, I give this same thing in comments as well. Please go on check in the description. Please go and check that. So still, if you have any doubts, post a comment on the comment sections. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.